Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As we know that those boats and pre-boats are very nearer to us, so all of you might face some difficulties in solving theorems, many of the quadratic problems and all. So today I am here to resolve your problems, and I am going to start with the theorem 6.1, which is also known as basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So let's begin with it. And if you have any of the doubts in class 10th regarding maths, you can please write your question or doubt in the comment section. We will definitely resolve your problem. So let's begin with the theorem 6.1. So what does it say? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. What does it mean? See, here I have drawn a triangle for your convenience. See, ABC is the name of the triangle. So here D and E is the line which is parallel to one side of a triangle, which is BC, right? So यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या देखा कि DE जो लाइन है वो BC के पैरेलल है, और यहाँ पे आगे क्या बताया जाता है इस थ्योरम में? Triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Means अगर ये वाली साइड जो डी है वो BC से अगर पैरेलल होगी तो AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Now we are done with the concepts and we have understood the figure here, and we have done all the concepts with the theorem 6.1. Now what is the matter? We have to prove that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Means we have to prove that if a line is drawn DE parallel to BC, then how this AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, right? So let's start with the proving part. So here we go. So as the figure as you can see the figure, you have to join this BE and CD, and you have to draw DM parallel to AC and EN parallel to AB. Here area of triangle ADE is equals to half into base into height, right? जो कि इज इक्वल्स होता है हाफ इंटू AD इंटू EN, right? And now area of triangle BDE will be equal to half into base into height, which will be equal to half into DB into EN, right? Then area of triangle ADE will be equal to 1 by 2 into AE into DM, and area of DEC is equals to half into EC and into DM. We have taken all these things from the diagram. As you can see, we have drawn EN perpendicular to AB and DM perpendicular to AC. According to that, we have only taken the areas of these triangles. Therefore, here we go with the next step. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equals to half of AD into EN by half of dB into En is equals to AD and DB. As you can see the figure, according to that we got this AD is equal AD by DB, right? So and area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC is equals to half of AE into DM, right? And half of EC into DM is equals to AE upon EC. Here we missed with the one step. अगर आप लोगों को अपनी कन्वीनियंस के लिए चाहिए तो आप लोग इन इक्वेशंस को मार्क कर सकते हैं ताकि हम लोगों को ये आगे जाके ईजियर हो. I forgot this step but you can mark with it. And this is the second equation. Here we note that जो ट्राइंगल DEB है एंड DEC है दोनों एक ही बेस पे लाई करते हैं जो कि DE है और दोनों ही सेम पैरेलल्स के बिटवीन है, मतलब दोनों ही BC और DE लाइन के बिटवीन है. ये दोनों लाइंस पैरेलल हैं. कैसे? हमने यहाँ पे थ्योरम में पढ़ा था कि अगर दो लाइंस पैरेलल हैं तभी ये दोनों साइड आर इन द सेम रेशियो, राइट? तो ये दोनों साइड पैरेलल हैं. एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने एक 9th स्टैंडर्ड में एक फॉर्मूला भी पढ़ा था जो हमें बताता है अगर कोई भी चीज़, कोई भी ट्राइंगल्स अगर सेम बेस पे लाई करते हैं और बिटवीन द पैरेलल लाइंस देन द एरिया विल बी सिमिलर. सो हियर वी कैन राइट दैट एरिया ऑफ triangle BDE will be equal to area of triangle DE and C, right? So therefore from equation 1 here and 2, from 1 and 2 and this one is the third equation, and third we get AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Hence, it is proved that if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides at distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. And what we need to prove here, AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. And at the last we have proved with the AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So हम लोगों ने ये क्वेश्चन सोल्व कर लिया विद द प्रूविंग पार्ट. अगर बोर्ड्स में पूछा जाए कि इस थ्योरम को प्रूव करो तो आप ये एग्जांपल लेके एक ये सोल्यूशन बना सकते हैं. Friends, if you like this channel then please subscribe it and fill out comment box with the comments. Lots of your love and thank you. Here we end with the session.